Mayor Kuya Lovis Cup Basketball Tournament. Game between Barangay Masaya and Barangay Salao Finals. Game number 3. Okay, all players, together with your team coach, please proceed to the center line. Huddle po tayo for some briefing with our referees. Sir Jojo.
Magandang gabi po mga taga-Rosario. Wala, sobrang marinig yun. Pero hindi lang...
Mahina. Kailangan isa pa.
Okay, Barangay Salamat, Barangay Masaya, all players, together with our team coach, huddle po tayo sa gitna.
Wala akong stick eh. Yan, huddle. Bago mag-umpisa. Nasakit kasi nala na muna. Yung mga kasigaw. Wala ka nung referee isa oh. Tingnan natin kung makapag-away pa kayo. Wala ka ng referee oh. Batista Bampay niyan.
Okay. Okay, Barangay Salamat, Barangay Masaya, give your best shot for tonight's game. Our referees. Our officials for tonight's game. Krichik, Erwin Brud, umpire 1, Robert Orencia, and umpire 2.
Yan, tip-off na tayo mga par.
Umpire 2 is Sir Gerald Rosas. Okay, balsa po ng official ball. Barangay Masaya.
Happy viewing, kapatid. Ralph. Lawrence Gulpo. Happy viewing, kapatid. Saka kay Patrick Jan, Coach Garcia. Salamat.
Magandang gabi po. Shoutout po sa ating mga sponsors. RMR, Happy House Donuts, sa Montesa Sports Officiating, JKM Car Wash, at Amaris Kitchenette. Salamat po.
Okay, let the game begin. First by both teams, pasok.
Thank you, share po ng live.
Good luck and God bless. First by for Barangay Masaya, Cordero, Makatugal, Panganiban, Bagting. Jersey number 2 from Salao, Anog, Mendoza, Panganiban,
Focus po tayo sa live.
Rosales,
Focus po
jersey
tayo.
number 1,
Shoutout.
Cabal.
Focus po tayo. Salamat.
Makikilike naman po.
Ready, jumper. First ball possession goes to Salao. For two. Panganiban, to number 1, Makatugal, Cordero. Number 2 fires the good. And all rebound from Mendoza.
Tinatawag na naman si Mendoza.
Panganiban, Rosales. Attacks the baseline. Left the line is good.
Anong height mo, sir? Sabi ni Rosales.
Panganiban set in the play. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Cordero. Number 3. 7. Out with the letter.
Grabe, hindi dito mga sir.
How about number 1? 14 seconds on the shot clock. Arnold. To number 1. 5 seconds to shoot.
Nice play.
24 second shot clock. Violation.
Nice play para sa Team Masaya.
Share po ng live mga sir. Mga ma'am.
Makikishare po. Last game na rin.
Bigay natin lahat.
Paniban.
Yan na.
Pakatugal.
Patay ka
Fakes.
dyan.
Fire Steven. Mendoza. Drives in the lane. Eagle pass. Paniban for two. Okay, baka lang ito. Panganiban, set in the play. Cordero. Back to Panganiban. Makatugal. 10 seconds to shoot. It's a traveling violation.
Good goal, good goal.
Substitution rep.
8 minutes. 8 minutes, 8.
Alog. Rosales. Fakes. Back to number 1. No good. Cordero on the board. Paniban. Hesitates. Nagaw. Paniban lays it up for two. Paniban. 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Si Ano ang gitna.
Intercepted. Same ball.
Si Ano nga nasa gitna.
Tapos mataas. Gawa ni Cordero. Kaya mataas.
Timeout, Barangay Masaya. 7 minutes and 23 seconds.
Oras natin yan.
Mga sir, mga
Back to
ma'am.
the ball game.
Makikishare po. Para marami pa nakapanood. Salamat.
Makikishare naman po ng ating live. Para mas madami pang makakita. Salamat.
Okay, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Okay, makikitakin na
Takin eh.
step na para pogi. Yup. Paniban.
Salamat sa
Fires. In and out. Cordero on the board. Back to Panganiban. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Makatugal. Back to Panganiban. Time to shoot. Makatugal. Inside the hoop. Mendoza. Mendoza hesitates. Looking for a teammate. Rosales. Attacks the lane. Rosales for two. 10-0 run for Barangay Salao.
Napakaganda po sa
Pangaliban,
para sa
Makatugal, hesitates. 10 seconds on the shot clock, intercepted and stay by number 1. Arag, and there's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 1, holding foul. First personal foul on number 1, Makatugal. First team foul.
Salamat sa 1.2k viewers. Makikilive naman po. Salamat.
Sana nakapalo po kayo lahat. Mga sir, mga ma'am. Mga kaibigan ko, so. Happy viewing, Mother Divine, Flores, and family.
Okay, so next up,
Shout out sa Flores family.
first shot for Mr. Anog. First shot is good.
This free throw is brought to you by Amalis Kitchenette.
Second shot, ready, jumper. 2 for 2 for Mr. Anog. Panganiban with another. To number 7, Palma, back to Panganiban. Intercepted, same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. To shoot.
Nice pass.
Cordero catches shoot. Come on. Rosales loses final. Panganiban with a steal. Panganiban on the move inside number 7. Basket is good. Basket down by number 26. Hitting the shooting arm. First personal foul on number 26. Ball shot for number 7, Palma.
Isang free throw lang na.
Ball shot. Timeout, Barangay Salao.
Panood ah.
This game, this timeout is brought to you by Mayor Villalobos Morpe, Congresswoman Yanda Bonilla, Caloy Bonilla, Asking Federation President Chino Lumosing in cooperation with Samantasa Sports Officiating Services na ang hatid sa inyo ay Liga, Yaha at Saya. Alright, back to the ball game.
Tinatawag na naman si Mr. Mendoza. Ni Mr. Palma. Katulad ng nangyari no game 2.
Aral! Inside Rosales for 2!
Nakakatang pasa. Drop pass.
Panganiban.
Ganda din eh, oh.
For number 27, fires the look. Cordero on the board. Palma, the look. Rebound by number 27, Cordero. Panganiban, 10 to shoot.
Wala shooting.
5 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Miscommunication lane.
Tapos kasi iba isa eh. Kailangan mo pala kasi ng tamang maayos eh. Ay!
Rosales, intercepted ang sila magting. Panganiban. Panganiban, lets it fly. Mendoza. Inside Rosales, fakes. Kamal fires. Stars.
Namatay solo. Nakabal.
Official score. 16 to 7. 9-point lead. Barangay Salao. Panganiban. 10 seconds to shoot. One shot. Palma pa rin. Put on his goal. Back to number 20. Fires the word. Panganiban on the board. Panganiban lays it up. Gets the bounce. Abal on the other end. 2 points. Balik sa pito. 18-11.
Hey, share po ng live mga sir, mga ma'am. Ganda na
3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining on the first. Still. Palma, very good.
Yes,
Palma pa rin. Back din. Fires. Sabas.
Taas. Kanya man ang release.
Number 1. Drives in the lane. Panganiban. Back to number 1. Go good. Panganiban on the board. It's still by Mendoza. Mendoza, no good. Out. Goal of the back.
Pag-miss na.
Panganiban, center the play. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 27 loose. Go back for number 7 Palma.
Two-way si Palma, two-way.
Number 1. Intercepted. Substitution rep.
Pumasok si Mina.
2 minutes 27 seconds.
Grabe.
Grabe ba? Pinasok na ba?
Panganiban.
Yun na, oh, aliw po.
Fires. No good.
Oh!
Rebound by number 7.
Grabe yung hustle
Cordero.
ni Palma.
Kick out pass. Panganiban.
Hustle
7
dazzle.
seconds to shoot. Puasay. No good. Cordero.
Oh!
2 minuto. Panganiban intercepted. Same ball tayo. Same ball.
Si Anong nakakapahinga.
Bola ng Asol. Bola ng Asol.
Yes, ang sigaw ng salaw.
Mendoza catch. Attacks the lane. Mendoza fires. No good.
Uy!
Pushing foul. On jersey number 23. First personal foul number 23. Second team foul. Palma enters a foul on jersey number 20. Pushing foul. 2 shots. Substitution. First personal foul number 20. Third team foul. With Palma on the foul line, shooting 2.
1:37. 1:37. Oras.
First shot no good. Second shot. Gets the bounce. Intercepted still by Panganiban. Panganiban by side. Kagawala. 2018. Anom. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Anom to number 23. Jumper, no good. Mendoza for the football. Isang minuto. Panganiban. Panganiban. Running foul. First personal foul number 5. Second team foul.
35 seconds, 35.
35 seconds remaining. 18 seconds on the shot clock. Pangaliban block.
Oy!
Pangaliban pa rin. Wala. 30 seconds. Pangaliban jump steps. Paul Bella fires. No good. Rebound by number 17. Pangaliban lets it fly. No good. Out of bounds. 11.8 seconds. Shot clock is off. 11.8.
Dalawa na yung tinatao doon.
Turn! Out! And there's a foul.
Dalawa na yung tinatao sa unang to kasi.
Foul on jersey number 27. Hacking. First personal foul number 27. Third team foul. 7.5. 7.5 seconds remaining. Rosales. 5.
Nagawa na si Rosales. Anong dapat niyang gawin?
Foul committed by jersey number 3. Hitting the head. 2 shots.
1.9K. Sana nakapalo kayo lahat.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty. First shot is good. Okay, 0.7. 0.7.
Makikilike naman po. Makikilike naman ang ating live.
0.7 second.
Kung natutuwa kayo sa mga ganito content, salamat. Thank you.
Second shot for Rosales. Out of the first period, official score 23-21 in favor of Barangay Salao.
Makikilike naman po ako ng ating page. Sa mga hindi pa nakalike. Kasi nakita po namin na madaming nanonood pero yung iba po hindi pa po nakalike.
Yun, shoutout po kay sa Nardio Works, Team Nardio Works. At sa New Neymar Yamaha Rosario Batangas. Mula kay Admin Julius Ramos Kalingasan. Tropas Goto, shoutout. Kaulam 1968, Coach Patrick. Rod Lawrence Gulpo. Work Corners dyan sa San Juan. At kay Mr. Abet Palma, na ama ni kapatid Darren Palma. At kay Mr. Victor Panopio ng IPI from Pare Lawrence Costa. Happy viewing sa inyo lahat.
Vice Mayor Kuya Loving Morpe. Vice Mayor Tani Zara.
Air Lomi Basketball, Tals TV, yan sa Manlag.
Councilor
Shoutout sa iyo, boss. Support din natin siya.
Sani Aquino. Honorable Councilor Alvin Altura. Honorable Councilor Joas Rivera. Councilor
Pag may nagbibigay ng star, 29.
Joey Galicia.
Cristel Amada, shout out po. Salamat sa pagbibigay ng 100 stars. Pagpalain ko po sana. Salamat. At sa magbibigay pa ng mga stars, maraming salamat po. Ang Gcash po natin, nandiyan dyan lamang sa ating
Councilor Darius Aguado. Councilor Angel Alvarez. And the SK Federation President Chino Lumansing. Together with ABC President Ruel Amber Montales. Through the support of Congresswoman Liana Bulilia and Kaloy Bulilia. Okay, second period.
Shout out Mr. Lyndon Sanchez. Shout out, boss.
Sige na start.
Panganiban. Balse.
Parang nga ngayon
Back to Panganiban. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Panganiban for three.
Wala kailangan gawin ng Panganiban. Bumitaw.
Change favor. Mina. Back to Panginiban. Balset.
Ganda ng fake.
Out of bounds. Ball possession. Barangay Salao.
Ang taas maglaro nito, Lumina.
Anog. Starting the play. For number 1. Back to Anog. Enters on Garcel. Panginiban lays it up the wood. Anog drives in the lane. Number 1. Back to number 23. Gets the bounce. Balik ang kalamangan. Balse. Good.
Patay ka dyan, nakahawak.
Foul committed by jersey number 25. Illegal use of hands. Substitution rep. First personal foul on number 25. First team foul.
Shoutout Busilito Aranyo, pakisunin ng Kayuran. Salamat po sa 10 stars. Galing kay Ice John Ponce. Ay, balik na daw po ang Kayuran.
Mga bigay stars.
Ano?
Shoutout natin yan.
Anog, pull up Jay. Masyadong mahina. Panginiban. Nina lays it again.
Grabe. Tama ba?
Grabe ba yan? Grabe ba? Galing ba?
Anog, looking for the teammate. Anog lets it fly. Good. Rosales, inside pass. Mendoza. And there's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 27, pushing foul.
Shoutout.
Second personal foul on Kwasay. Second team foul.
Shoutout po, JB.
First shot is good.
Sa 99 stars.
Shoutout po sa Pilihan 99 stars. Ano yun?
JB Bagsik.
JB Bagsik, pare. Salamat, pare. Enjoy ka lang dyan.
Second shot. Good. Rosales on the board. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Pagkaro with the steal. Panginiban cross. Tips it away. There's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 1. Hitting the shooting arm. 2 shots. First personal foul number 1. First team foul. First shot is good for Panginiban.
Nakakanong ulit.
Okay, Barangay Masaya Magingay! Second shot for Panginiban. Pasok!
Wait lang ha. Mamaya shoutout na, saglit.
Hey, Barangay Salao Magingay! Number 1, back to Rosales. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. And still number 27, Kwasay. Panginiban. Altero, mid-range, no good. Rebound by Rosales. Number 23. So number 2, Anog, Mendoza. Drives in the lane, block. Foul on jersey number 0, Mendoza. Hacking. First personal foul on Mendoza. Second team foul. Balsek. Let's it fly, no good. Anog. Sa kabol. Rosales drives in the lane, hesitation move, Rosales for two.
Kailangan. Rosales. Step up. Nasaktan. Nasaktan si Rosales.
Si ano, si...
Nasaktan si Rosales sa sequence na yun. Sabay.
Saka si ano, sa kapten, si Cordero.
Si Cordero.
Rosales.
January.
Number one. Paniban. Nagag.
Nutmeg.
Cordero. Nawala. Mendoza. Drives in the lane.
Bauta.
Substitution run.
Bauta kay Cordero. Shout out Angelica May Santos magbibigay ng Pando sa 99 stars. Go sa lao. Sabi niya.
Grabe ba?
Uy!
Anon. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Paniban fires the points.
Anong height mo, sir?
Balik ang kalamangan sa Barangay Salao, 30 to 28. Paniban with a leather. Mina, lumapit ang bahagya. No good. Battle on the rebound. Rosales. And still by Paniban. Palse. Drives. And there's a foul.
Shout out ni
Foul
Ivan.
committed by jersey number 2. Hitting the shooting arm. First personal foul on Anog. Third team foul.
Shout out ni Ivan sa 10 stars.
First shot no good.
Ronaldin Flores, salamat sa 10 stars. Shout out Lakay Garcia.
Second shot.
Ang gumo daw, sabi niyo si
Pasok.
Aranyo. May pumasok ba?
Fourteen seconds on the shot clock.
Defense na sigaw na masaya.
5-minute mark. Anog inside and there's a foul.
Grabe si Anog.
Foul on jersey number 13, Banting, hitting the shooting arm.
Pero hindi ko maintindihan dito sa ano.
First personal foul number 13. Third team foul.
Kita na sa Kita ka na sa live. Kita na ang sigaw mo.
First shot no good for Anog. Second shot, ready, jumper. Second shot, pasok.
5 minuto. 5 minuto na lang na
Paniban. Balse. Inside Banting, no good. Anog on the board.
Uy, bilis.
Anog, bounce to Paniban for two. Paniban number 12. Balse. Lets it fly, no good. Banting on the board, face, and there's a foul. On jersey number 0, pushing foul, 2 shots.
Para si Tokan.
Second on Mendoza. Warning for penalty. First shot. Pasok. Second shot for Banting.
May coach siya din eh.
Second shot, no good. Battle on the rebound. Rosales wins. Rosales goes to post. No good. Out of bounds, ball possession, Barangay Masaya.
Shoutout kay Jan Ponce sa 10 stars.
Panganiban. Balsa number 25 back to Panganiban. Pasay, it's a traveling violation.
Tinawag na siya, ano bro?
Panganiban, number 20. Rosales on the high post. 10 seconds to shoot. De Villa, vamos. May foul on jersey number 1. Having penalty net, penalty. Second personal foul number 1, penalty.
Neil Evan, salamat sa 10 stars.
2 shots.
Watching from KSA.
Timeout, Barangay Salao.
Shoutout daw sa kanyang mga pamangkin na nasa Shoutout.
Shout out sa aking asawa na nanonood. Nagbigay ng stars, 10.
Shoutout daw kay Jerry Coloma watching from Hong Kong. Salamat sa 50 stars.
Happy viewing, Flowers family from San Carlos, Rosario, Batangas.
Salamat po sa 50 star watching from Hong Kong daw. 2.1k viewers tayo. Salamat po sa mga nanonood.
Salamat, tapos i-share nyo live, tapos makipollow na rin po ng ating page.
Ang ating Gcash nandiyan dyan lamang po pang load at pang merienda na din ng mga naglalay.
This is the last game. Oh, bigyan na natin lahat dito, mga sir, mga ma'am. Battery check.
Kaya pala ko inaagar.
2 shots for Palma. First shot for Wood.
38, 3 minutes and 38. 3 minutes and 38 seconds. Natitira sa ating second.
Okay, also we are acknowledging the presence of our Boal Chestivera. Happy viewing po.
Tagal ng second quarter na to.
Mahaba ang ating second.
Number 1, Cabal.
Grabe ba?
Bigyan mo ng play. Panganiban, the following jumper is good. 35-31. Kalamangan pa rin para sa Barangay Salao. Balse. Drives in the lane. Interceptor is still Rosales. Anog. Still by Kwasay. Panganiban yan. Rosales will save. Anog! And there's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 27. Pushing foul. 2 shots. Third personal foul on number 27.
Salamat po sa mga viewers.
Substitution. Warning for penalty. Pasok, idol. Pasok.
Adriel Pereira. Adriel Pereira. Salamat po sa 100 stars.
Shoutout sa Tukod Boys dyan sa Barangay B, paring Waren. Shoutout sa inyo yan.
3 minuto. 3 minutes.
Second shot for Anog. No good. Battle ang rebound. Nakuha Panganiban. That's another. Kabal. Anog. Out. Traveling violation.
Sorry.
Uli ka nila. 2 minutes 44 seconds.
Wala ako sa focus sa ano eh. Sa mga comment eh.
Panganiban.
Na-focus sa comment.
Palma, number 7 attacks the lane. Bagting.
Taas!
Mid-range, no good. Rebound by Vivat. Baseline jumper, no good. Palma, and there's a foul. Committed by jersey number 18, hitting the shooting arm. First personal foul number 18.
Comment lamang po kayo.
Penalty.
Nakikilike na din po ng ating live. Kung natutuwa kayo sa mga
Person is
gusto
good.
content, salamat.
2 minuto, 27 segundo.
Pasok, pangalawa.
Ay, nasa BBC pa.
Official score 35-33, up by 2 points.
Yay!
Paniman for 3!
Grabe pa. Tingnan natin ang bawi ng masaya. Tingnan natin.
Yung release, no? Kung ano ba?
Bibat.
Bibat inside the goal, Palma for the comeback.
Grabe si Palma, grabe.
2 minuto.
Palma bumubuhat sa masaya.
Asal-dasal ni Palma.
Anog. Drives.
Oh!
Kapag ang bola.
White chocolate.
Number 1, Kamal. 10 to shoot.
Patay pa.
Paniman tries. He check, no good. 5 to shoot. Working. Paniman. Versus Paniman.
Grabe.
Laki, no?
Anog all day. Bang!
Umuulan ng tres. Summer ngayon pero umuulan.
Paniman number 12. Palma. Cordero.
Ako pataga doon ng tumpukan.
10 seconds to shoot. Palma. Inside.
Palma na naman.
Basket count. Foul on jersey number 18. Hitting the shooting arm.
Magandang gising ni Mr. Palma. Magandang gising.
Substitution. Second personal foul number 1. Penalty. Ball shot for number 7. Palma.
2.2K viewers.
Salamat sa 2,000 higit na viewers natin.
Marami pa yan.
Makikilike naman ng ating page.
Okay, ball shot for Palma number 7. Batting on the rebound, Anog. 50 seconds, Anog. Paniman takes, no good. Nababay, number 1, Makarugal. Makarugal. Cordero to number 7. Cordero, 10 to shoot.
Ang depensa ng salo para depensa ng masaya.
5 seconds to shoot. Cordero, jumper no good. Cordero pa rin. Inside Cortez! Basket count. Foul on jersey number 18. Rated to shoot it out. Tatlo. Number 18. Penalty. Ay, tabla tayo. Tabla. All 41. Okay, pag-shoot tayo para. Pag-shoot. Ball shot for Bagting. Pasok. Change favor. Alamangan para sa Barangay Masaya.
Pinasok na sa Rosales.
18 seconds remaining. 15. Give it go. Five. Palma.
Oy, 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 oy. Oy.
Okay, players, please look up to your respective benches.
basketball! Dahil. Kaya may referee.
Akala ka ng referee, oh. Si Batista. Tangina. Si Big Show, eh, oh. Akala ka ng referee, oh. Imumiyot po namin pag 1 minute pa to.
Okay. Number 0. Mendoza from Barangay Salao. Warning for technical. On using elbow. Edward Aguilar.
Pa, wala pa.
SK Federation President Chinolo Wonsing. ABC President
Lapit mo na lang.
Ruel Amber Montales. Through the support of Congresswoman
Lapit mo na pa.
Yelda Hulilla.
Hey guys, i-announce ko lang, baka may
Baka
malaki pa kayo cellphone, kailangan ko, namimilabas ng cellphone. Kailangan ko Oppo F5 na goods pa yung LCD kasi may customer ako kailangan.
second half, third period.
Tapos isa pa guys, naghanap din ako ng Huawei Nova 3i. Kung kailangan ko naman ay yung goods pa yung LCD o kaya battery. So yun lang po, salamat. At huwag niyo kalimutang i-follow yung page ni Boss Coach Ensayo Literal. So salamat po, Coach. Thank you.
Salamat po. Pasensya na mga boss, nakamute ulit.
Third quarter na. Sa mga nakakaintindi bakit nakamute, salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sa mga hindi po, ay kayo na po ang bahala kung bakit. Kasi pag narinig ang sound ni Meta, baka hindi na tayo makapag-live, kawawa lang po yung mga nanonood. Sana po yung maintindihan po ninyo.
Adriel,
Habang number 1,
Adriel Perea.
Ano?
Perea. Salamat
And
po
Bosa
sa stars.
inside, the interceptor is still by Cordero. Portugal. Draw pass, Cordero no good. Gonzalez, hesitation move, no good. Paniban flies, no good. And Dosa on the board.
Oh,
14 seconds on the shot clock. Paniban for 3.
Silent assassin, si Pangaliban. Nasa raw.
Paniban. Cordero, inside pass, no good. Paniban. Up and under, Paniban no good. Out of bounds. Same ball.
Vance, wala.
18 seconds on the shot clock.
Shoutout sa mga kay viewers natin dyan. Enjoy lamang po kayo sa
Portugal in the corner. Back to Paniban.
Ganda.
Inside number 1 no good. Out of bounds. Sabi na sab.
Shoutout. Shoutout po Adriel Perea sa pagbibigay ng 150 stars. Salamat po. 2,300k viewers. Salamat po.
Habang number 1. Manok. Drive single and block.
Baon ka.
Simple. 11 seconds on the shot clock.
Baon ka kay Cordero. Pumasok ka dyan. Kami nangat. Ganda na pasa.
Habang number 1.
Ayan.
Rosales. Bombs block. Out of bounds at may bola. Foul committed by jersey number 26, Rosales. Hitting the head. Second personal foul on Rosales. First team foul.
Matangkad na masaya.
Wasay! No good. Bagting on the rebound. Bagting, jumper, no good. Mendoza on the rebound. Ano?
Patay.
Intercepted. Wow, nice communication play. Turnover. Haba number 1. Paniban na si Fly. No good. Extend Manog. Inside, Rosales for 2. Paniban.
Gandang jump ng salaw.
Give and go. Inside but 10 to 1.
Unselfish play. Ang masaya.
That ball ay lahat, that ball. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Anong. 4-3.
Wala nang 6 na minuto.
Paniban to Makatugal. Back to Panganiban. Panganiban splits the day inside but 10 to points.
Nice pass. Unselfish talaga din na rin masaya.
Panganiban number 20. Torosales. Still by number 1. Out of pass Panganiban. 4-2. Anong. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Gonzalez. Wala. Same ball.
Magandang ginagawa ng ilalim ngayon. Please.
Timeout. Barangay Masaya. Remaining time 5 minutes and 12 seconds. Official score 49 to 48. 1 point lead. Barangay Salao.
2.4 viewers. Salamat po sa panonood. Makikilike naman kasi nakikita po namin yung mga nanonood po ng live yan. Karamihan po sa inyo yung mga hindi pa po nakalike. Makikilike naman po. Kahiya-hiya man. Salamat.
Back to the ball game. 7 seconds on the shot
Enjoy
clock.
lamang po kayo sa panonood, mga par. Happy viewing.
7
Bye.
seconds to shoot.
Aldwin, Aldea, shoutout sa'yo.
Anong. Let's it fly. No good. Paniban. On the move. Paniban and there's a foul. Foul committed by jersey number 20. Hitting the shooting arm. Second personal foul on number 20. Second team foul. Paniban, number 12, on the foul line, shooting 2.
5 minutes. 2 minuto.
First shot, pasok. Tabla, all 49.
2 minuto, 5.
Second shot. Ready, jumper. Pasok, 2-2.
Change favor.
Okay, I got it. Okay lang. $14 seconds on the shot clock. Anong. Fires the good. Out of pass. Paniban takes. Fires the ball.
Lamang po, masaya, lamang na.
Rosales with a letter. Inside pass, 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Rosales, no good.
Gagawin niya sa board, ano?
Pushing foul. On jersey number 23. Substitution. Second personal foul, number 23. Third team foul.
Shoutout Patrick James Oreste. Salamat po sa 50 stars.
Flying A, pumasok na, oh. Flying S. Sagritalo.
Sagritalo, number 14.
Pumasok na sa Sagritalo.
Paniban. Out of bounds.
Patrick James Oreste, salamat po sa 50 stars. Shout out.
Ano? May foul on jersey number 2. Pushing foul. First personal foul number 2. First team foul.
Siguro masyado ako sa defense. Yeah, so
Mendoza, 14 seconds on the shot clock.
Mendoza, patay ka.
Mendoza, take on pass.
Ganda, ganda.
Paniban, Cabos, Punta, wala na rin. Rosales, wala na Mendoza. One shot. 10 to shoot. Number 20, reverse the line. Paniban. Intercepted is still by Mendoza. Mendoza on the move. There's a foul.
Tangin na. Grabe yung rally na yun. Si
Foul on
Quench.
jersey number 3, Cordero. Second personal foul, number 3. Second team foul.
Anybody's ball game.
2 shots for number 0, Mendoza. Maraming salamat nilay. First shot is good. Second shot for Mendoza. No good. Mendoza pa rin. Spins. Mendoza, one shot. Gets the bounce.
Takfield.
Abla, all 52.
Nakatakfield si Mr. Mendoza.
Paniban. Still by Anog. Anog to number 23, James Primor. Balik ang kalamangan para sa Barangay Salao. Sagritano. No good. Anog, 2 on 3. Anog lays it in. Paniban. Wala. Foul sa baba. Foul on jersey number 23. Substitution. Third personal foul number 23. Warning for penalty.
Pinasok si Mina.
Dalawang minuto.
Hoy!
Palma.
Alma!
No good. Rebound by Rosales.
Pasay, pasay.
Rosales. Still by the team. Foul on jersey number 2. Anog. Second personal foul on Anog. Penalty and penalty.
Gcash po natin, nandiyan dyan lamang nakapin. Sa mga gustong mag-donate ng Gcash para sa mas madaling transaction. Nandiyan dyan lamang po. Tawag na rin.
First shot is good.
Pag gusto nyo pa magpa-shoutout gamit ang Gcash, message nyo lamang din po kasama yung inyong ano.
Second
Para
shot
mabati namin kayo ng ayos.
for
Sa live
Paniban.
mismo.
Team England. Team ni Paring Eden.
Pasok, number 2.
Paring Eden Karandang. Yan, sa Bulihan. Shoutout. Team England.
Paniban, catch and shoot. Air ball. Out of bounds.
pahinga. Okay lang naman.
Pangaliban attacks the lane. No good. Pangaliban number 12. Spins. Up and under. No good. Pangaliban. Put back. Pasok. Tabla. 50 seconds.
Wala na isang minuto.
Arnold. Drives in the lane and there's a foul
Si ano, sports maglaro.
on jersey number 13. Substitution. Second personal foul number 13. Third team foul.
At daw ho, kadaming nakaputi, sabi ni Kent
Two shots
Sanchez.
for
Hindi po namin alam.
Arnold.
Napag-usapan po yata ng masaya na magputi at red. Salamat sa 10
Two shots
stars,
good.
Kent Aaron Sanchez.
Battery na oras. Battery.
Ha?
Battery. Ayos.
Second shot for Arnold. Pasok. 2-2. 41 seconds.
Tingnan natin kung sino magbabaon na.
35 seconds.
Napakahalaga na lamang na to.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Bago pumasok ng port.
Out of bounds, same ball. 7 seconds on the shot clock.
23 seconds.
7 seconds to shoot. Five to shoot. Kamasaling. Wala. 15. 10. Mendoza inside. At may kasama ba foul? Basket count. Foul on jersey number 5. Hitting the head.
Napakami servant sa
On
yan.
shot for number 0, Mendoza. Second on number 5. Warning for penalty.
Ang angas.
8 segundo.
Ang angas ng salaw.
Signature ni Mr. Mendoza.
On shot, no good.
Paul yun.
There's a foul on jersey number 23. Okay. Apat, number 23, penalty. Warning for foul out, number 23. 7 segundo, 7. Okay, mamaya pag nag-shoot, mamaya lumabas pag nag-shoot.
Mabasa lang ang inyong mga kalokohan.
Grabe, pasalamatan ng mga players. Binibigyan tayo ng magandang laro.
First shot is good.
Kent Aaron
Second
Sanchez.
shot for Cordero. Pasok. Walang sa. 5.
Okay, Basar.
Loy. And of the third period, the official score 60-58. Kalamangan pa rin para sa Barangay Sanao.
Shoutout Christian. Shoutout daw ho kay Christian. Kakauwi lang, nanguha ng kabute. Sabi ni Kent Aaron Sanchez.
Salamat sa stars.
Salamat sa 10 stars, idol. Adrian Pereira. Salamat sa 10 stars.
Okay,
4.1
shout
na
out
tayo. Pabuti natin 5,000 na
sa
mga sir.
mga nanonood na ating live.
Allen Gamboa.
Through
Salamat sa 10 stars. Allen
Facebook
Gamboa.
Live of Ensayo Literal by Coach
Oh,
Ryan
nabati tayo pare.
Flores.
Nabati tayo down. Adrian Pereira.
Jacket TV live stream, Kaulam, and the OMM FB page of Rosario.
Adrian
Alam mo
Pereira.
na po sa
Salamat.
mga nasa namunga na nagiinom na.
Adrian Pereira.
Shoutout sa
Salamat
inyo.
sa Umuulan na stars.
My fourth and final period. Good luck, both teams. Sana kayo'y magtamasa.
Ronaldin Flores. Ang may-ari ng Songan Pharmacy. Bagong buhok. Salamat sa mga stars. Aray,
Pangaliban, set in the play.
Bakas tayo sa laro.
Ball set. Drives, floats, no good. Corner on the board. Mina, on the goes for two.
Grabe ba yun? Grabe yung putback na yun ah.
Mendoza. Back to shoot. Mendoza, inside, no good.
Ganda nun ah. Nice one, nice one.
Foul committed by number 26, Rosales. Third personal foul on Rosales. Third. Tatlo. May foul si kanina.
Jerome Salayo Makaraig.
Tatlo na.
Salamat sa 35 stars. Jerome Salayo Makaraig.
Isang
Ang
pass.
bagong buhok.
Mina.
Salamat po.
Vincent traveling violation. Warning for delay in the game on number 5. Mina.
Daw sa Big Show.
Yung mga hindi pa po nakapalo, mga sirs. Palo na po kayo. Salamat po.
Salamat po. Magli-5,000 na tayo mga par. Makikipalo naman. Yan.
Habal. Rosales.
Uy, sa board. Oo. Uwi na to.
8 seconds on the shot clock. No
Grabe.
good.
Mr. Mendoza.
May foul.
Sa lagin, may spam na yan.
Committed by jersey number 1.
Kasi mangyayari doon, pwede
Hacking.
tira niya, ipapasa ulit niya. No?
Second personal foul number 1.
Laging petake siya. Knockout.
Substitution.
Yan na, ang ginhawa ng Barangay Masaya.
Magic Bunot.
Mr. Palma.
Si Magic Bunot Palma.
Bounce pass.
Now play to my score number 1.
Laking bala yun. Wala na siyang minuto, mga par. Nice pass.
Ortero. Looking for a teammate. Panganiban. There's a foul. Committed by jersey number 26. Hitting the shooting arm. Apat. Fourth personal foul on Rosales. Second team foul. 2 shots for Panganiban. Second shot, no good. Ortero on the rebound. Inside, Mina, no good.
Pasensya na kayo.
Cabal. Back to Panganiban. Not in my house.
Baon ka sa pansitan.
Panganiban no good. Out of bounds, ball possession, Barangay Masaya.
One precarious lead. Ang salaw.
Baon ka sa pansitan kay Cordero.
Sumusunod ulit ang salaw. Oh.
Patay ka.
Ball set, lets it fly, no good. Ortero on the board. Back to Balses, side steps. No good.
Aliban.
Taliban, sa foul.
Hindi pa tumatama.
Foul on jersey number 12. Panganiban, blocking foul. First personal foul on Panganiban. Second team foul.
Gcash natin, nandiyan dyan lang, Gcash. Yung mga gusto mag-donate.
Number 1, full of chain, no good.
bilisan. Tumigit na si Cordero.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Okay.
The points, Ferdinand.
Bravo ba? Yun!
Change play ball.
Slim Reaper.
63-62.
Ang Slim Reaper na masaya.
Mendoza attacks the lane.
Okay, Catherine.
Stays back. Mendoza! 4-3.
Sinabi!
Pangaliban, no good. Mendoza on the board.
Wala nang 7 minuto mga par.
Ano? Back to Mendoza.
Mendoza na naman.
Isolation play.
Mendoza na
10
naman.
seconds to shoot.
Step back.
5 to shoot.
Abal, Rosales.
It's a running violation. Timeout, Barangay Salao.
Masarap daw mag-send pag laseng, sabi ni Adrien Pereira. Yan. Masarap din man magbarek.
Pare Darren, na-shoutout ko na kanina pero na-shoutout ko ulit. Kay Boss Abet Palma, shoutout, nanonood yan. Ama ni Parin Darren Palma. Alright.
Patrick James Orestes, salamat sa 10 stars. Gcash natin, nandiyan lamang po. Sa mga gusto mag-send.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Shout out kay Mr. Allen Gamboa, nanonood sa masaya.
Aming manager, Sir Jojo. Sa patuloy na pagsuporta sa amin. Sa tuwing tayo may laro dito.
Nanonood na sa TV.
Pangaliban. Set in the play. Cordero. Wasay! No good. Out. To number 12, Pangaliban. Block. Out of bounds. Save ball tayo. Save ball.
Nice call.
Save ball.
6 na minuto mga par at 12 segundo.
So, babasahin natin ang mga
Tama kasi yan!
Mendoza. In the corner. To number 1, foul line. Jumper is good.
Range ni Mr. Caballo. Range na yun.
mid-range jumper ni Cabal.
Cordero. To number 7, back to Pangaliban, 10 to shoot. Intercepted, recovered by number 27. 5 to shoot. Pangaliban, for 2. Arnold, 1 versus 4. Arnold, good.
Bilis ni Ano, hindi ko na na-videohan.
Pangaliban,
Ay.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Ano ba? Nice pass!
Bounce pass, 14. Same ball. 8 seconds to shoot. 8 seconds on the shot clock. Bang! 4-3. It's the Vegas High. No good, Manolo Taliban. Para, number 1. Handball, tingnan naman, Barangay Masaya. Ang Barangay Masaya naman.
2.9K viewers. Solid nyo. Gusto ko yung comment ni Mr. Joey De Chavez.
Pangaliban. 8 seconds to shoot. Tagaw. Out of pass. Out. Left it. No good. Number 27. After Pangaliban. Taking his time. Pangaliban. No good. Anog on the board. Mendoza. Side steps. Fires. No good.
Yung!
Still by Mendoza, wala. Rebound by Pangaliban.
Pagod na, nakakaramdam na.
Cordero. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Nagaw by Paula. Foul committed by jersey number 12, Pangaliban.
Patrick James Oreste. Salamat sa pagkakaroon.
Timeout, Barangay Masaya.
Shoutout daw po sa mga nagiinom sa Karandang Compound sa Itlogan.
Second personal foul on number 12, Pangaliban. Third team foul.
Viewers, sir. Salamat.
Last 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Who will win
Wala nang 4
the
na minuto, mga sir.
second cup?
Wala nang 4 na minuto.
Habang number 1.
Shoutout na sa Karandang Compound, yung mga nagiinom doon sa Itlogan. Salamat. Pag-send ng Gcash.
Pangaliban!
Big shot! Big shot by Mr. Pangaliban. Big shot!
Pangaliban, number 12.
Cold-blooded.
10 seconds to shoot. Palma lets it fly. No good.
Yapusin mo. Yapusin mo. Dahan-dahan lang daw, sabi ni Mr. Mendoza. Ayun
Rosales.
lamang, sabi niya.
14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 to shoot.
Man-to-man. Man-to-man.
5 to shoot. Pangaliban, Page, la pass.
Tangina parang si Kawaye.
Sa 24-second shot clock violation.
Adriel Pereira, salamat sa pagsisend ng stars.
2 minuto, 47 seconds.
Pangaliban, number 12, set in the play. Number 7, Palma. Back to Pangaliban, 10 to shoot. Pangaliban, Mina, five, jumpers good.
Grabe pa.
Grabe kami na. Grabe ba?
Rosales,
Bumawi.
gets the bounce.
Sa Rosales. Ramdam na. Ramdam na natin sa
Pangaliban,
Rosales.
bringing down the ladder. Last 2 minutes. There's a foul. Hold on. Jersey number 2. Alon. Third personal foul on Alon. Third team foul.
Shout out Roma Sabilita. Sa 35 stars. Roma Sabilita, shout out po. Uy, kaboy.
And there's a Marcelo Rosales. Ocho.
Yan na.
Inside, Kuwasai! Basket is good! Basket count. Foul on number 26. Rosales. Rosales. 5 fouls. Substitution. Coach Masaya. Cancel timeout. Okay. Ay, sige ba? Bonus shot. Bonus shot. Pasok. Timeout, Barangay Salao.
Patrick James Oreste, salamat sa pagpapalito.
Okay.
Patrick James
Right
Oreste.
now, Rosario, let me hear. Barangay Masaya, magigay! Ang Barangay Salao, magigay!
Ronaldin Flores, salamat sa pagbibigay ng stars. Yan, shoutout po sa ating 2.7k viewers.
Battery check.
Makikilike naman ng ating live. Yan, mapapanood ang ating replay dito din sa ating page.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Mapapanood ang replay nito sa ating page din na mga par. Kaya i-like nyo na.
Wala na 1 minuto. 1:42.
Sa tayo rep, 24. Okay, copy. Basta ikaw, nanginginig pa.
Jerome Salayo, mga Rage, salamat sa 35 stars. Solid yan. Nakabagong po.
Anog, bringing down the letter. Anog, still by Cordero. Panganiban on the move. Palma, going for a teammate. One-hander, no good. Cordero, good night. Laban na Barangay Masaya. 75-74. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Mendoza attacks. Last for 2. Timeout, Barangay Masaya. Okay, Barangay Masaya, that will be your last and final timeout.
Ang ganda ng laban.
Solid.
Solid. Pinakita ng dalawang team na to. Anybody's ball game. Di sa nanalo. 1 minuto na lang po mga par.
Sa minuto. Maricel Palma. Shoutout Maricel Palma sa pagbibigay ng stars. Yun. Cyril Dimano daw, shoutout.
14 sa 14.
Cyril Dimano, shoutout daw. Mula sa
Sir, makikilambing naman po ng follow. Salamat.
Grabe yung chat.
Okay, 14 seconds on the shot clock. Panganiban, 1 minuto. Cordero, pick-up pass. 10 to shoot. Panganiban, dancing on the screen. Kuwasai, 3 seconds to shoot. It's a 24-second shot clock violation. Last 47 seconds.
47 seconds.
Seconds. 40 seconds.
Wala pa. May isang log.
Barangay Salao. final timeout. Okay, both teams, wala na kayong timeout.
Adrian. Adrian, Saraya. Salamat sa stars. Parang bata. Sayang siya. Sayang siya, no? May isang loob din, pinagdadalawan siya eh.
Okay. 1 minute away from the inbounding player. Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza, nakalabaw. It's a pass. Palma. Pergola. Foul committed by jersey number 12. Benivan holding foul. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Wala na oras.
Warning pa lang po. 11 seconds remaining.
Ganun na naman.
11 segundo. Both teams wala ng
11
timeout.
seconds! 11 seconds! Wala na time out!
Ganito na naman yung nangyari, katulad ng first.
11 seconds.
Deja vu. 1. Mawawa ka na, Mendoza.
Foul on
Tama.
jersey number
Tama yung ginawa.
3, Cordero. Holding foul. Penalty. Third personal foul on Cordero.
Grabe, ang ganda ng laban to, kasi
Penalty. Two shots
palakpakan natin ang bawat isa.
for Mendoza. Mendoza on the pressure cooker. Pressure is good. Second shot. Wala na. Both teams, wala ng timeout.
dire-diretso na tayo mga sir, 10 seconds!
10 segundo.
So,
Okay,
Ali,
pag-shoot. Sige, pag-shoot.
nakatakbil si Mendoza.
Second shot for Mendoza.
Gasak kung gasak.
Second shot.
Dake. Salasi.
Substitution.
Oh, yeah.
Sub. 10 segundo.
Check.
Same ball. 8.6. 8.6.
Na-check. Kita kamay mo.
8.6. Paniban.